Steal number 83.
Dito, open sa lubos, no? Ng air. Open sa lubos, no? Open sa balong mandatory. Hindi, basta lahat maka 5-10 minutes.
Rebound number 36.
Bigyan ko naman.
50-75.
Ano ba ano? Mainit eh. Ano pangalan niya?
Nino.
Yung 36.
36 to win.
Fran.
Kasam! Okay, over lang tayo, cover.
Ilagay mo muna sa'yo. Ito. Joe.
Kasam!
Yan, Adrian.
10 second shot clock.
Nice pass!
3. Number 15.
Cerces. Sis. Sis.
Play niyan.
Pili na yan.
10 second shot clock.
Yan ang sinasabi ni Seth.
Rebound. Number 32.
Kasabay!
Rebounder dito. This is...
Rebound 73.
Galaw!
Sablay niya ngayon. Ayun o.
21.
10 second shot clock. Rebound 83. Out of bounds.
Ano ba na mapapayata ako dito kay Joe pero sa pag-nauna. Wala. Turuan mo sa lunes yun ha.
Out of bounds. Same ball. Shot clock 11. Five second shot clock. Rebound 83.
Kasabay!
Wala si Fran.
Nice day! Good lang!
10 second shot clock.
Sis. Turnover. Sis.
Ten second shot clock. Out of bounds. Still 36.
Uy, Steal.
73 to points.
Steal ni 44. Pasa niya kay ano. Doc. Ay.
Rebound 11.
Ay.
Rebound 32.
Ayan.
Rebound 36.
Nice pass. Sayang.
10 second shot clock.
Puro yan.
Rebound 32.
Nagot na.
Rebound 11.
Nice pass. Puta.
Rebound 83. Defensive rebound 32. Rebound 0-0.
Dead ball set.
Rebound 83. Ten shot clock. 2 points. 32.
Sab.
Dead ball sir, dead ball.
Sino nakashoot si Sir Sis?
Oo, sis ni ano. Matangkad si Chick.
Rebound 21.
Paulin mo! Paulin mo! Felix, paulin mo! Paulin mo!
Instant rebound 32. 83, 2 points. Assist number 32.
Assist.
Foul. Number 15. Substitution.
Sir Patrick.
First foul number
First ball, number 15. Substitution.
15.
Yan pala yun. Nakalimutan natin. Hindi tayo
Nakalimutan
nakacheck.
natin yung pangalan niya.
Hindi kasi natin na-check. No?
10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Kick ball.
Violation. 25.
Ten second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Shot clock violation.
Shot clock violation.
Wilson.
Akin yata yun.
Nasa yun.
Paano yan? Dan mo, Dan.
25, 2 points. Assist number 5.
Ay, dan mo muna.
Ayan o.
Tuloy natin lang.
Sino to?
35 daw eh.
35?
35. 25. Baka 25 si Jun.
Rebound 28. Defensive rebound 16. 46, 2 points. Assist number 16. Out of bounds.
Nelson.
Ay, sa'yo.
Still.
Still number 21.
Points.
32, 2 points. Assist 60.
Ayun ang 50. Tandaan mo lagi yung number.
40. Hindi, minsan iba yung number nila eh.
Rebound 21. Still 16.
Sino pa?
Ball number 41.
41. First ball, 41. Sino yung 41 yan?
Ayan, Jowar pala.
Si Gabber.
32 points, assist 32.
Rebound.
Rebound 32.
Wala.
Rebound number 5. Rebound 60.
Mats.
40 seconds. Ten second shot clock. Rebound number 5.
Foul.
Foul number 21. First foul, third team foul.
Ano na yun?
15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Uy!
Rebound 32.
Rebound 32. Wala. Offensive rebound.
And the first quarter.
Offensive rebound.
Uy, wag mo yun. Maganda yung player.
Pwede pa ba?
Dito.
Pwede pa ba? Hindi na ata pwede. Good player. Hindi na ata pwede.
Wala na.
Second quarter.
Ano na eh, na-play na eh. Tapos kanina pa. Sabihin na natin kay Steve.
Kay Adrian ang bilis na.
Team Karim, possession.
Wala pa yung ilaw, no? Hindi ginawa.
Ano ilaw?
Possession na araw.
Miss? 3 points?
Kaya shooter din yun ah.
Patay.
0-0, 2 points. Assist 36.
Nice.
23, 2 points. Assist 21.
Mario.
Ten second shot clock.
Uy! Still.
Still 83. Black, number 44. Rebound 36. Ball number 60.
First spot.
First ball number 60. Rebound 21. Still 11. Rebound 17.
Norio.
Still 0-0.
Turnover. Richie. Richie.
Foul number 83.
First foul.
First foul number 83. Rebound 83.
Seconds!
10-second shot lang. Rebound 73. Rebound 83.
Panis, isang kamay.
Rebound 11.
Hold lang. Set tayo, set. O, pwede na. Atake.
36 2 points. Assist 73.
Nagtira. Ito pala si Sir, no? Asa lang ito. Adrian.
Rebound 73.
Ito na, 73 dito. Wala.
Rebound 83.
Ano naman? Patay.
62 points. Assist number 15.
Assist number 15.
Isang pasok pa lang.
Wala.
Box out!
Offensive rebound.
Defensive rebound 44. 36 2 points. Foul 73.
4 minutes na rin.
Substitution.
Si ano, si Dale, oh.
Phoenix! Ano yung pasa?
Substitution.
First foul ni Dale.
Ready, blue! Wala!
Ten second shot lang.
Counted.
Foul basket.
Lower.
Foul number 28.
First foul. Assist.
First personal foul number 28.
Assist. Nelson.
Foul number 16.
16 Bert. Foul si Bert. Si Bert. Yun na. Away. First foul.
Rebound number 5.
Foul.
Foul.
Richie.
Number 83.
Second na.
Second personal foul. Number 83, second foul.
Second team foul. Foul. Bang!
2 points.
Points. 21. Wilson. Wilson. Rebound. Wilson.
Screen.
10 seconds shot clock. Same ball. Shot clock 6 seconds. Shot clock 6 seconds. Still.
Sayang.
Shot clock 3. Shot clock 3 seconds.
Three.
To be number 32.
Pet ah. Sino pasan?
I know. 25 yan.
Foul basket.
Flip.
Ball number 21.
Number 21. Nelson. Second. Nelson.
Second ball number 21. Second foul. Same ball. Shot clock 13 seconds.
Uli.
10 seconds shot clock. The ball number 5.
Turnover.
Oh! 16. 2 points.
Pumasok pa. Alaway na yun ah. Flip.
Rebound number 5. Out of bounds.
Bumibili si Sir Nelson ah.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Bantay.
Rebound 41.
Joel, di ba?
Ten second shot clock.
Miss. Oh,
Elbow Visionado. Kim mula Joan.
Jude down, Jude. Sabi ko kanina eh. Go ahead, Jude. Open!
kulay pink.
10 second shot clock. Out of bounds. Same ball. Shot clock 3 seconds. Rebound 41.
Uy,
32. 2 points. Assist 21.
madami ng assist si Sir. Oh, even. Foul. 21.
Ball number 21.
21.
Tatlo na yun.
Clip.
Clip.
First clip. Ano pangalan?
21. Ano yung 21?
Sino foul?
21 daw.
Nelson?
Third personal foul number 21. Third foul.
Tatlo na eh.
Third foul number 21.
Pwede mo mapalit yun. Ibigin mo lang yun sa foul.
10 seconds shot clock.
Oh. Yung kay Potek. Oh, tapos.
Out of bounds.
Wala na, nilagay ko na eh.
Di, cancel mo na. Wala na. Wala na, damo na. Yun na.
Eh, ayun. Mamaya ko, coach, hindi ko na nalaman.
10 seconds shot clock.
Wow,
22 points.
puta, dikit ah.
30 seconds.
Uy, pumasok.
25 2 points. 20 seconds. Still 21. 15 seconds. 12 seconds.
Sayang.
10 seconds. Defensive rebound 41. Still number 5. And of second quarter.